What's up, YouTube? Belkin back again. This is a remake of a video that I have posted earlier about my flex and its exhaust and how I cut the mufflers off and straight piped it back to the bumper. From the axle back, I straight piped it. There's gonna be 4 clips. One of them's right here with it starting up and idle. There's gonna be a clip of accelerating on the interstate at about 20 miles an hour up to I run out of room. The 3rd clip will be accelerating again on the highway. And the 4th clip will be sitting at a red light, idling, taking off to about 25 miles an hour, and then accelerating onto the highway. I also like to take note that I have a lapel mic, and I taped it to the back windshield so that it would somewhat pick up, which it does, because I had it taped right here, and it distorted the sound immediately as soon as I started up the vehicle. The quality of it, I tried to normalize the audio so it wasn't so high and low to kind of make it sound okay, or not like ear-wrenching. Please enjoy. Those are the 4 clips, as I stated. I hope you guys enjoyed them. I hope it was somewhat entertaining. If you want to do this to your flex, the cost of this was the labor to weld the straight pipe in and weld my stock exhaust tips on. And I don't think you can see me one damn bit because the sun is right there. And it's starting to rain. It's time to go inside. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you liked it, say that you liked it. As my neighbor starts up their wind turbine over there. Okay, I'm going to edit that part out.